Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with your master dataset loaded in Stata. Make a backup copy first. Once you have that, verify the key ID variable exists in both files and that types match. String versus numeric will stop append. Use describe and codebook to inspect variable names, formats, and storage types, and make quick recodes or compressions as needed. This prepares you to append safely and prevents mismatched columns from creating unexpected missing values or truncated strings. Now align variables across files. Rename variables that represent the same concept, and convert types so numeric stays numeric and strings stay strings. You can use destring or toString and encode or decode where appropriate, compress to save space. Once aligned, run append using other file, DTA from your master file. After appending, list the first few rows and run tabulations on key variables to confirm counts. This shows you why alignment matters and how append adds observations rather than variables. Finish by verifying your combined dataset. Use count, summarize, and tabulate to ensure observation counts match expectations and distributions look sensible. Make sure variables that should be complete do not have new missing values, and scan string lengths for truncation. If you find duplicates or mismatches, restore your backup and fix the underlying naming or type issue, then rerun the append. This troubleshooting step saves time. It's faster to correct alignment than to untangle corrupted merged data later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.